At first glance, it looks silent. A small frozen moon drifting through the darkness beside Saturn. Cold, bright, lifeless. But beneath that frozen surface may exist something extraordinary. An ocean hidden below the ice. A world of heat, chemistry, and possibility. And perhaps, one of the best places in the solar system to search for alien life. This is Enceladus. Among the many moons orbiting Saturn, Enceladus appears almost unreal. Its surface is covered in fresh, bright ice that reflects sunlight so efficiently that Enceladus shines like a mirror in the darkness of space. Nearly every part of the moon appears frozen solid. Temperatures plunge far below anything humans could survive. From orbit, Enceladus initially seems simple, a small icy world drifting quietly around Saturn. But beneath that frozen exterior, something unexpected was happening. As spacecraft began studying Enceladus in greater detail, scientists noticed strange fractures near the moon's south pole. Long glowing cracks stretched across the frozen surface like wounds in the ice. These regions appeared warmer than the surrounding terrain, something that should have been impossible on such a small frozen world. Then came the discovery that changed everything. Enormous plumes of water vapor and ice particles were erupting directly into space from beneath the crust. The plumes rising from Enceladus were not small eruptions. They extended hundreds of kilometers into space, releasing enormous amounts of water vapor, ice particles, salts, and organic compounds. Some of this material escaped the moon entirely, spreading outward to help feed one of Saturn's rings. Suddenly, Enceladus transformed from a frozen moon into something far more important. A world with liquid water, active geology, and chemistry connected to the building blocks of life. Before Enceladus, many scientists believed small icy moons were frozen and inactive. But Enceladus shattered that assumption. Somehow, deep beneath its icy crust, heat still existed. Energy still existed. Movement still existed. And wherever liquid water, chemistry, and energy come together, one possibility always follows: life. Enceladus was no longer just another moon orbiting Saturn. It became one of the most important astrobiological targets in the entire solar system. Far beneath the frozen surface of Enceladus, scientists believe a global ocean may exist. Hidden below kilometers of ice, this ocean is thought to contain liquid water kept warm by internal heat deep inside the moon. Gravity measurements and observations from the Cassini-Huygens mission strongly suggest that Enceladus is not frozen solid at all. Instead, beneath the bright icy shell may lie an active ocean world, dark, pressurized, and completely hidden from sunlight. If true, Enceladus would possess one of the most important ingredients for life known anywhere in the universe: liquid water. But water alone is not enough. An ocean trapped inside a frozen moon should eventually freeze solid over billions of years. Yet Enceladus remains active. That means heat still exists deep inside the moon. Scientists believe Saturn's gravity continuously flexes Enceladus as it orbits, generating internal friction and heat through tidal forces. This process may keep parts of the underground ocean liquid while powering geological activity across the moon. In some regions, hydrothermal activity may even exist on the ocean floor itself, similar to deep-sea hydrothermal vents found on Earth. When Cassini flew directly through Enceladus plumes, it detected something extraordinary: organic molecules, carbon-rich compounds associated with the chemistry of life. Salts were also discovered, suggesting the water had interacted with rock deep below the surface. Even more importantly, molecular hydrogen may have been present, an important energy source for microbial ecosystems on Earth. Suddenly, Enceladus was no longer simply interesting. It became potentially habitable. On Earth, Life exists almost everywhere liquid water, chemistry, and energy are present together. Deep beneath the oceans, microorganisms survive around hydrothermal vents without sunlight, feeding entirely on chemistry rising from below. Enceladus may possess similar conditions hidden beneath its ice. No evidence of life has yet been found. But for many scientists, Enceladus represents one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for it. Because if life can emerge inside a frozen moon orbiting Saturn, then life in the universe may be far more common than humanity ever imagined. For years, the Cassini spacecraft repeatedly flew through Enceladus' giant water plumes, directly sampling material from the hidden ocean below. What it discovered transformed Enceladus forever. Water vapor, salts, organic molecules, molecular hydrogen, tiny grains rich in chemistry linked to hydrothermal activity. Together, these discoveries suggested something astonishing. Deep beneath the frozen crust, Enceladus may possess nearly every major ingredient required for life as humans understand it. Scientists now believe Enceladus may contain one of the most habitable environments beyond Earth. Not on the surface, but hidden beneath kilometers of ice. In total darkness, warm water may circulate through rocky seafloors rich in minerals and chemistry. Conditions similar to environments where life thrives deep inside Earth's oceans today. Enceladus forces humanity to consider a profound possibility. Life may not require sunlight, continents, or even planets. Perhaps oceans hidden beneath ice are enough. Because Enceladus ejects ocean material directly into space, future spacecraft may not even need to land to search for life. Scientists have proposed missions capable of flying through the plumes again, this time carrying instruments specifically designed to detect biological signatures. Some concepts even imagine robotic submarines descending through the ice into the hidden ocean itself. Enceladus has become more than a moon. It has become one of humanity's greatest scientific opportunities. For billions of years, Enceladus drifted unnoticed through the darkness beside Saturn, a frozen moon hiding a secret ocean beneath its surface. Today, humanity sees it differently. Not as a lifeless object in space, but as a possible home for alien biology. Somewhere beneath that frozen crust, chemistry, heat, and liquid water continue interacting in darkness. And perhaps at this very moment, something may already be alive there.